Welcome to CryptoCoins, where we review the best coins for you. How's it going, my friends? Welcome back to CryptoCoins. My name is Freddie Colton, and today we've got a fun project, WOLFBOSS. Now, of course, before I jump into the meat and potatoes of this project, keep in mind this is not financial advice. I am in no way a financial advisor, purely just a crypto geek who loves to discuss new crypto projects that I come across, things that I think are cool and possibly very promising projects. So with that in mind, please don't invest in something just because I talk about it. Make sure to do a modicum of your own research as well to make sure that it is the investment for you. However, we're going to go ahead and jump into this project as it is a project that I like a lot and I will help you do some research with it. So, welcome to the WOLFBOSS. Join the pack with the limited WOLFBOSS NFT digital art collection. And you can very quickly and easily get whitelisted, or attempt to get whitelisted, I should say, by just clicking through here. Then you'll go through the Google Forms or pre-mint if you're interested in doing so. And I'll just go ahead and start off with their social media here to give you an idea. So about 30,000 over here on Twitter. Definitely one of their bigger followings is over here on Twitter. Got some cool videos about what's going on, about the game that they're working on as well, as you can see there, which we'll kind of read through a little bit more. This is over here. Actually, I guess it's bigger over here on their Instagram, which makes sense because this is where you can actually see some of their NFT, which is very cool artwork, very funny, nice and cheeky. You know, I think they absolutely know that it's a cool, fun, funny project. You know what I mean? It's serious project, but also they're not taking themselves seriously to the point of being annoying, which, you know, so is a good project is my point. Limited NFT collection coming soon, a Supreme Society securing our digital footprint, DMWL for whitelist, and join the pack at the link tree here. Now we're going to go over all of these links anyway, but just to show you, if you do click through the link tree, you can actually find those whitelist forms again, any kind of website you might want to. However, really, I just clicked through the top here. If you just go to the top of the website, that is wolfboss.io, you can find any link that you need. That's why I didn't have it open originally. And then we can see here, clicking through their Discord, so you can see they've actually got a really great following over here on Discord with 17,000, obviously still growing it up a bit, but a very active Discord membership actually. You can see there's a couple of whitelisted people here on right now. And again, you know, this is the kind of project people are very excited about. If you're interested, check out the About section. So this is actually where you can read through a little bit more about it. And just anything here, the announcements, server updates, you know, anything that you might want, because they're doing giveaways, they're doing lots of cool stuff with this project to get it popping. So we'll check out a little bit of this video. Turn it down a bit. That's my wolf sound. Yeah, so, you know, nice and simple. Again, there's going to be a game aspect and NFT. You can see they've already got some really great art and some gameplay ready. So it's going to be VR/mobile, next-gen/console. Game-ready assets, ready to use optimized assets for game avatar linking. Join the elite. Special events, giveaways, and perks strictly for token holders only. WOLFBOSS Collection. The unique collection created by WOLFBOSS is an AI randomized conceptualization to represent your supreme digital identity. Connect with the Wolf Pack, and you can, of course, on their social networks we did see. Now there's going to be Alpha, Aggressive, Bored, and Clever, which I think is very cool. So 4 different types, if you will. The roadmap. So phase 1 is WOLFBOSS begins. Community building and engagement on social media through promotions, giveaways, contests. They'll initiate partner introductions. Phase 2 is establishment, focus strongly on art quality and building a healthy community for sustainable growth. Recruit new members for the pack for whitelist opportunities to drive and show domination with WOLFBOSS. Phase 3 is exploration. Set and prepare for the official mint launch of the WOLFBOSS NFT collection with promotions, press, and partnerships. Phase 4 is expansion. mission: lead the pack into sellout with community events, special giveaways, and promotion saturation in the NFT digital space. Phase 5 is establishment. Becoming a Wolf Boss has its advantages with our plan to invest into a community membership startup idea, securing a fixed team dividend which will be divided amongst the pack, maintain and grow the community further, and secure the digital footprint in the metaverse by purchasing land in the sandbox for our virtual hangout space. Phase 6 is final mission. We introduce more members to the pack, evolve our community to be even stronger, and offer variations of species/mutations to further grow our NFT ecosystem. Use our 3D ready assets for games, VR, and movies to build the WOLFBOSS brand and create global awareness with partnerships/PR. Invest into additional community startups and forever expand Web3 and crypto development. Utility. Unique NFT deployed on secure Ethereum blockchain smart contract, game-ready 3D avatar for mobile VR next-gen and movie, investing into community startups with fixed dividends and divided with token holders, future sandbox virtual hangout space for token holders, special event invitations for community pack members/token holders. Again, click through if you're interested in getting whitelisted. You can become a member of the pack on Discord again as well. Check out the team. So this is actually the team. You're welcome to click through to any of their different social media. That will lead you to their stuff and who they are and a little bit more about them. So that's very cool. And then we will actually finish up on this little how to mint video, just so you can kind of, this little guide they gave for it. But and we'll kind of check this out.
Let's get you started on how to mint an NFT. You can mint on both desktop computer and mobile devices,
which is very cool. Minting on mobile.
Crypto exchange such as Binance, Coinbase, Crypto.com, CoinSpot, or any other of your choice. Deposit funds into this wallet and purchase the coin Ethereum. Make sure you have enough Ethereum in the wallet for the mint price, transaction, and gas fees. Now, once you've got set up with the Ethereum coin, you will need a compatible NFT minting wallet listed on the website that is supported. Common wallets for minting NFTs are MetaMask and Coinbase. Once you've set up your NFT minting wallet, send the Ethereum from your exchange wallet into your NFT minting wallet using your unique address. Now you've got Ethereum